Hello friends, myself Dr. Sudha Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Indian Homeo. Today I'll be telling about the homeopathic treatment of plantar psoriasis. Before we proceed to know how homeopathy helps in curing plantar psoriasis, let us understand the disease first. Plantar psoriasis is condition of skin that affects basically the soles of feet. As per modern medicine, psoriasis is an autoimmune disorder that can flare up with exposure to certain trigger. Here by autoimmune disorder, we mean that the immune system of our body starts attacking the healthy cells. To understand what happens in psoriasis, let's see the basic structure of the skin. The skin has two layers, epidermis and dermis. Normally, the skin cells grow deep into the skin and slowly rise to the surface. Eventually, they fall off. This is a typical 1-month life cycle of skin. In psoriasis, the production of new cells of skin occurs in just few days rather than a month. Because of this, the skin cells don't have time to fall off. This rapid and overproduction of skin cells lead to build up the flaky skins over the upper surface. The white blood cells are the key players of the immune system of the human body. The main function under normal condition of white blood cells is to attack and destroy the foreign bodies and to fight the infections. In psoriasis, the immune system mistakes the normal skin cell as the foreign body and starts attacking. This results in overproduction of skin cells that are pushed to the skin's surface and are piled up, causing the plaques associated with the psoriasis. Coming to the causes and the triggering factors of psoriasis, according to modern medicine, the doctors believe it is an autoimmune disorder. A person's genes may play a role in development of psoriasis. There are also certain triggering factors that may cause psoriasis. The factors such as injury to skin like a cut, insect bite or sunburn, or psoriasis can also occur due to emotional stress or weather conditions that causes dryness of skin or certain medications. Coming to the treatment of psoriasis, unlike modern medicine, the plantar psoriasis in homeopathy is cured without any external application, because if we apply anything on the inflamed skin, the condition gets suppressed and there are chances of recurrence. So, in homeopathy, the treatment is given after considering the emotional cause. Here, the emotional cause of psoriasis is the separation conflict. The separation conflict means either the patient is wanting to separate from a person or is separated from something that he or she is no longer or allowed to touch. Homeopathy medicines are selected after considering the emotional cause, patient's physical and mental symptoms, thermals and sensitivity. This prevents the recurrent infection of psoriasis and provides a complete cure.